All right, so in this video, I just want to show you how to add the consent, um, how to turn on the consent or turn it off, the consent tab or section on your form. And I know some people have been using this, especially to help with the A2P verification. So let me show you how to add that really quick. So if we go to sites, and then if we go to form, and then let's say we are either creating a form or we have a form that's already created. Let me show you what one actually looks like from here. Okay, so here's a sample form. This actually comes as a default. So if you have your default here, this is the consent box here. But let's say if you don't have this here, because even if you create a new one, it's still going to show that it's still going to populate this down at the bottom. So let's say if you don't have that field on here, we're going to go to your form element on the bottom of here. I'm sorry. Let me go back here so you can see it. We're going to click on this plus button that says add form element. We're going to open that up. Down here at the bottom, it says there's an icon here for T and C. That's for like terms and conditions. So if I take that and I drop that in here, that's what that box would be. It's the same thing. So let me put it somewhere else so you can see it. Okay, it won't do it, but actually I'm gonna take it out so that way you can see it a little bit better. So there's that. But it's essentially the same thing, and you can put the your information in here, kind of similar to what you had saw before, and then you can also put your terms of service or service and conditions down here at the bottom as a hyperlink, along with your privacy policy as well too. But really, so if you just need that consent box to actually allow people to consent to allowing you to send messages to them, um, and any other type of communication efforts, especially by phone or anything that's coming from your company. You could put that down here, put those the wording down in this box right here, and then make sure that you turn on require. So that way, when they check that box, they'd have to check that box in order to be able to submit the form. All right.